What's up everybody, Tatted Charizard here, and today we're going to be doing some Final Fantasy Brave Exvius summons again. We're going to start off with this free one, of course, because free is always best. That's what you like to see. I was hoping it was going to keep going. Oh. Oh. Bummer. Alright, that's not bad. And we got the new, hold on. Yeah, there's this ticket, so we're just going to see who I get. Let's see. That is such a cool sight when it comes down like that. I got Cloud. I did not have Cloud, so let's go. That's awesome. I get this so much. This must be really common. Alright, lock him up. Oh, we got Buster Sword. Nice. What else? Master of Fate. 200%! Oh my god! I might have to use my Super Trust Master for that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought that was Cecil, but that's Axstar. I'm glad I got it. It's pretty dope. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and use this too. I can't wait to get all 4 stars. You guys ready to see all 4 stars? Let's do it. Excuse me. Oh! Oh, was that gonna turn into a rainbow? Wow. Skip. Oh, that was so whack. What a drag. Oh, well, you know what? We'll use these 3. Why not? Why not? Oh, that's good. Skip it. I'm ready, because honestly, I really want to try and get Neo Vision Rain&Fina. Oh. Ah. Bummer. Alright, let's go ahead and get into... You know what? We'll do the half off. Why not? Why not? Oh, we can let this rock too. That is so dope. That is so cool. Alright. Half off! Half off! Bummer. Gravy. Not bad. They're gravy. That's gravy, partner. Oh, we still got, what's his name? How many of these do I have? 3. Not enough. Alright, be gone out of my face. Ticket summon. Alright, we're gonna do 10 regular tickets first. See how we do with that. Starting off yellow, that's not bad. I guess I can click through it, go a little bit faster. For Gan! How many? I got 3 and 12. Okay, so we'll do 10 of these, 6 of these, and we'll do 2 of these. Sound good? Skip! Oh, you gonna go to a yellow? It did not. Domino. She's got some good boots. I remember hunting for her boots. Alright. 8 more to go. I don't like blue. No, no, no. I don't know why I feel the need to sing. Let's go. Alright. Oh my goodness. So, probably gonna be posting another video today. I don't know, I haven't posted for a while, but my Xbox broke. Probably gonna talk about it in my video later. We're gonna be playing some Dragonball Fighters. And we're gonna be playing Super Baby 2. So if you guys want to check that out, if you guys are into that, I'm sure it'll be in the cards if it's up, even when I post this. This might go up first. I don't know yet. Oh. Oh. Gotta click on through. Oh! Oh! That's what you like to see. Do it again? Nope. Zell. You can get the Zell out of here. Oh. I know so many people just like, nope. Nope. Too far. Oh, what is this? Like the mayor in Dragon Ball Z? Get out of my face. I'm surprised you can't do multi-tickets on these banners. Oh, whack. I keep thinking it's gonna go into a yellow and it does not. Alright, 3 more and then we'll get into some more. Usually the single tickets are just super good for me, but alas, I've used up all. Okay, that was dope. Ooh, I think that's 7-star for a homeboy right there. Let's go! Uh-oh? Every time I think I know nothing, apparently. Alright, final regular ticket. Here we go, gotta scratch my back. Ooh, coming down yellow. That's what I like to see right there. All this the light on my face. Zyrus. You're not who we want, Zyrus. Sir. Alright, let's do 6 of these bad boys. The 4 stars are where it's at. Well, I mean, before Neo Visions at least. Whenever I was like hunting rainbows, like, ooh, I could get rainbows left and right with these 4-star tickets. It's crazy. Ooh. That stupid mayor dog again. He needs to get out of here. Oh. I didn't mean to skip it. I just got impatient. Zell again. Wow, we're getting the same units too. That's ridiculous. It's ridiculous! Oh, they're probably the featured unit for, or the featured units for, like, the event that's going on. Wow. What a letdown. 3 more. And then we'll do 2 5-star guaranteed tickets and maybe get some Neo Visions. I would at least like one of them. That would be dope. But I'm sure everybody would. Tickets over. Yeah, I'm not sure what really to talk about, because I feel like I'm just going to repeat myself in my video later. About how I've like had nothing to do and why I've been making videos and stuff. Oh my goodness, these same units. Alright, alright. Fushov. Here we go. Hoping it's gonna just come down Neo Vision. All in. Wow. I don't need that. If we get a duplicate unit on this one, then we're done for this video, maybe. But if we get something I don't have, then we'll use the next ticket too. So many beams. Ooh. Alright, we'll use the next one because I did not have him. Courage to move on. Attack plus 60%, limit burst damage by 30%. That's freaking good. That's really good. Alright. Final ticket. Let's go! And we will see. We'll let this one drop. Oh. Oh, another rainbow. Black Mage Vivi. First time I've gotten him too. That's not bad. We'll take it. More units. Crucifer. That's not bad. That's really not bad. Well, I think we're going to wrap it up for there because I don't want to use all my tickets just yet. Should we do a lap? 31k? You know, if this video gets like 5 likes, then we'll spend some lapis on this banner. But if not, then I'll just keep saving it up and we'll do another big crazy video where I saved up like 100,000+ lapis or whatever. But, you know, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys have a great day and everything. You know, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Because if you enjoy the videos and, you know, get enough subscribers, I'll start making, you know, daily videos and everything. But have a good one, everyone, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.